Hi guys, I want to just go over the exercise I played a few days ago. I had a lot of requests, so I just want to go over and see if I can help you out to try your own exercise with this idea. Let's take G major chord, yeah? So the chord tones of G, we all know that. So we have G is the root, B is the third, D is the fifth, and F sharp is the seventh. Now, instead of playing inversion of G, starting from the B, starting from the fifth, you just actually apply the chord to the relative chord tone. So first thing is I want to emphasize the root note, but I want to play around it, still giving the sense of a G major. I'm playing around that main note. So I start from A and I go A, G, F sharp, G. So basically sort of an approach tone, enclosures. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try to do the same thing for the B, right? And then for the D, and then for the F sharp. And of course, you can keep going. The next approach, so of course, we have the B. So what can I play over that B instead of just repeating the same thing? I'm thinking of B minor, right? B minor is the first thing that is closer to G major. So what can I play? The B minor 7 arpeggio. And I still play over that G. Yeah. Now the next thing, we have the fifth. Now fifth is a dominant chord. If I start playing from the D, I can use the diminished scale. Yeah. But also I can start from the F sharp. It's the F sharp diminished. From the seventh, so what I was thinking is F sharp F diminished, yeah, because that's the seventh of that G7. That F sharp F diminished is actually a D7 without the root, yeah? D7, D, F sharp, A, C. If I'm playing the F sharp F diminished, is F sharp, A, C. So I did play over the F sharp F diminished like if it would be a dominant chord. This time, instead of apply the diminished scale, I use D melodic minor scale. So that's the D dominant. I start from C and I have a beautiful melodic minor scale that goes over that D7 chord. And it's also the flat 5 of the F sharp. Now, you know, with the harmony, you can see one topic in so many different ways. They're all related anyway, so it's not like a common, every musician thinks the same way for every single chord. The idea is the same. Maybe the way you go about it is slightly different. So let's see what we got from this. From G, we play around the root. Makes sense, yeah? And then from the third, we play a minor chord, B minor. And then from the fifth, we play the diminished scale. You can start from the D7 and using the semitone tone. Or you can start from the F sharp and use the diminished scale like tone, semitone. And then finally, on that F sharp, again, and see it like it would be a D dominant. And I've used the C melodic minor. All of this, you can get so much stuff going on. Thanks a lot for checking out my videos. I'll catch you soon.